too hot. Just right. Once upon a time, there was a school where the students were just right. They were smart, kind, hardworking, and even good-looking. But then some bullies started comparing the students to each other. They said, "You're fatter than Cinderella," or "You're uglier than Prince Charming." Before long, the students didn't believe they were just right anymore. Since you're in BB's class, I'm sure it's happened to you. You thought you were just right, and then a bully made you feel all wrong. But remember, you are the only version of you. You're not a copy of some other kid. You're a one-of-a-kind original. So why should you care if a bully thinks you're too skinny or too smart? You're the one and only you, which means you're just right, just the way you are. When you believe that, you're on your way to living happily ever after. But I understand. Bullying hurts. That's why I've got to teach BB a lesson, and I need your help with the magic to make it happen. On the count of 3, I want you to say, BB Wolfe. 1, 2, 3. BB Wolfe.